Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, I believe this shot was a class assignment something. I went to Santa Monica Beach to shot this image with the daylight synchronized shot. Well, this is not that exciting image, but look at this pencil drawing type image. This is real nice. I really like this graphic wise and kind of interesting of this image. So today I want to try to colorize painting colors, just imagination on the background, nice blue sky and a nice blue ocean, sea beach, nice beach color, and I don't know what it's gonna turn out. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna move this empty layer over in between these layers, then change blend mode to color as always, painting base. Alright, okay, select the brush, no texture, just color. So basic to soft round opacity. The main subject is shoes, so go for red shoes, real saturated color. Let's see, change blend mode on this pencil drawing type image, change to darken so we can see through underneath. And also I don't want to see this color of the base image, so I'm going to take that saturation off completely, 100. Now just see that density, right? Okay. Oh, I'm gonna move this hue saturation just over the image, so we see the color. Alright, just for now. Okay, now I want to go for, let's see, first want to see the skin tone. Now I go eraser tool, smudge tool, back and forth to finish it up. Okay, just for now. Now her dress, well, what color is gonna be nicer color? Well, looks like amber reddish. Okay, now go for background, huh? Well, background. Well. Okay, I'm gonna add another layer for background. Change the blend mode to color. So background, blend mode is color, and models, same thing. Blend mode is color. This is background. No background. No model. Lots of work. Okay, go see the sky over this background. Then this one is sky. Okay, we'll go for sky first. I'm gonna change the blend mode. Same thing. The color. I want to add some greens. Okay, now kind of interesting. Touch more, emphasize some blues. Touch up some. Now I'm gonna touch up and smudge. Okay, I think pretty much done. Okay, now I'm gonna add one more layer. Add layer, right? I'm gonna add white pretty small and paint 100% like this. Highlight. Then I use brush smudge. Okay, well, alright, this is the original image I shot, and I just take out colors, add layer properties, hue saturation to desaturated, everything to make it black and white. Then I add color on models, just touch, choose red, that's a point, and change her clothes to be a little bit closer to reddish, and foreground is like so. I add some colors and some graffiti, reddish. Then I add ocean behind, blue sky and stuff. That's nice blue and greens and stuff. Then this is pencil drawing type image, which is darkened. We can just see through underneath. And this one is just waves, white. Well, that's about it for today. And now I'm gonna, well, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I'm kind of excited about this image. Yeah. Well, thank you for colorizing on black and white image for today, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I don't know, I'm gonna change this pencil drawing type image, darken to color burn, linear burn, change to colors so much. Well, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Well, now it's darkened for now. Thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.